all you can open the YouTube channel. After you can go to YouTube Studio. Go to the YouTube Studio and click on the Go to Video Analytics. Here we can learn how to add tags. If we are forget to upload tags, it is more important for your YouTube video. Now we are click on the detail on this video. After clicking video detail, you can see this is title, this is description of this video, and go to the bottom side, and this is playlist. So and after that you can see here this tag option. टैग ऑप्शन में आके आपने यहाँ पे एडिट टैग्स करने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन थिंक हाउ पीपल थिंक and how people search on YouTube, and after that write that how to use Filmora, how to screen recording using Filmora, how using recording, how to screen software, how to use recording, and after that click on tab button, and you can see that you can see with the IQ application on the Google Chrome. You can log in can click on the vidIQ software, and you can after that save this adding tags on your YouTube video. After that we can click on refresh button. After clicking refresh button, you can see YouTube Creator Studio is refreshing and opening again. And we are going to down again and check the tags. Check the tags and search ranking. It is called search engine optimization. It is very good for your YouTube search results. This score is 39 out of 50 of this video searching. I am adding tags. Must. Next, how to use Filmora. You can see this is 500 words. You can type in this box. I can written only 237 words in this box. We can add tags. Next, how to use Filmora action do how to use Filmora to undershare now you can add tags again. How to tutorial undershare screen. Got the tutorial. Undershare screen. Got the tutorial. Undershare. You can add this tags. Undershare. You can see this is video ranking in search engine optimization. Score is 43 over 50. Undershare Filmora you can see this is crossing 500 words. I have written 502 words. Now we are cutting this title. Undershare only. Now you can see 490 words in between of 500, and now you can and now you can click on save button. This is best for updating video thumbnail.